Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we are going to be looking at the one simple trick. It's super simple. A little trick that you can do on Amazon to increase the number of sales you're getting per customer. It's incredible. So I want to get straight into it. Before we do, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications for mad Amazon knowledge. Leave any questions down below. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's get straight into it right now. Alright guys, so this is it. What we're going to do is I'm going to actually show you today, this is going to be really cool, I'm going to show you how you can get this promotion message. So what we want to do is when a customer comes to Amazon is we want to try and sell them as much as possible to try and get the most out of our customers. I know that sounds pretty weird, but it's true, we want to make more profit. So if you have a good product, so this is cool products, of course they can have more pictures, but I'm just using this because they have this promotional message. So there's one little thing you can do which you might already know, and that's use this little kind of price that's crossed out and you have a sale price, and that's pretty good because people then can see they're saving £9, they're saving 37%, saving 50%, whatever you want to do. So that's one thing that you can do, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. What I'm going to show you is how to do this thing here, promotional message. So they've got 3, which is save 10% on your order when you buy 2 Elite Health products, save 15% when you buy 3, save 20% when you buy 4. Now you can do this if you're just selling one product and that's your only product you sell. What you can do is say, first product is, or you can say promotion, 30% discount when you add 2 to your cart today, or 15% discount when you add 2 to your cart. Now you can choose that to go off the entire bill, so the entire 2 products, or you can say, well, if you buy 1 product, then you can have the second one at 10% off. So this is a really great way where you can get upsells. This works for me. I get more buyers buy my product, so you can go through your orders, you can see where people are buying 2 products because they want the discount. It's a great way to boost your sales, and this is something that you can do. You can even do this, guys, to break even. Now, why would you do this to break even? First of all, it's all about sales velocity and ranking. So if you're trying to rank your product, it's a really great way where you can get 2 sales for the price of 1, right? And that means that you're going to be able to rank higher on that listing, on that search page, than you were if you were just selling 1. Now, you might want to do that at the beginning. You might want to change these promotions as you go and make them more profitable, but it's another really cool way where you can get more sales for your product, and not everyone does it. So just to give you an example, I was looking at these products, and this is just something I was looking at for myself. And you can see, not all of these guys do it. They don't do it. They don't do it. This person does save 25%. Now that stands out. I'm going to go and click on that listing because it's got that kind of 25% off. People love a deal. Absolutely love a deal. What other ones have we got? Any others? So not a huge amount of people that actually have it, right? Not a huge amount of people. Where is that one that we were just looking at? There we go. So that's what we're looking for. So if you are the person that has this discount on your listing, you're probably going to get more clicks on your listing and you can get more sales, like organic sales for 1 item, but also you're going to get people that are buying 2 or 3 or 4, depends on what the product is, because you have a deal on. Now, I'm going to actually show you how to do this, okay? Alright guys, here we are in Seller Central. I'm going to be nice and quick with this. So go to Inventory and then go down to Manage Promotions, take you to this page. Click Money Off and press Create. Okay, if you get stuck with this, take screenshots, take your time doing it. Now, what you're going to do is choose this first drop-down option of for every quantity of items purchased, and we're going to say every 2 items purchased on our product, which we can add in our product just here. The purchaser will get 20% off, or 15%, or 50%, or whatever the hell you want it to be. And it applies to the purchased items. So basically what happens is the buyer benefits from 1 when the buyer purchases 2. So they're going to get 20% off 1 of their items when they buy 2 products. Now you can obviously change this. You can set it to 2, which actually you can actually just change this option to at least this quantity of items. What it means is that when the customer adds 2 to their cart, they get 1 at 20% off. It's really cool. You can go advanced options and exclude items, but for this, we're just going to use it for 1 product. We then do a start and end date. We call it what we want to call it, and then you can add in additional options. Now down the bottom, if you can see this, hopefully you can, there are options about claim codes and stuff like that. Just have it set to none. It means it's automatically going to be added to their cart when they go to checkout, so you don't have to do anything. They don't have to add in any discount codes or anything like that. Also, just a little thing on the end date, just put it like a year in the future or something like that, and call it whatever you want to call it. That's not customer facing. So what I want you to do is click custom messaging, and you can actually change the text. So instead of the standard text, we can choose customized text and go 20% off mega deal or whatever it is, right? Someone get someone's attention, and that's gonna basically be the text that they see and that they read. So this is a really great way where you can just get more sales. Okay, you can get more sales, and if you do this, then let me know down below and let me know if it's worked for you, or some really great tips on wording to use or the best percentage off. But if you have never done this before, what I would just like you to do is just go through, add the coupon, add the promotion to your account, see how it goes. And what you're going to find is when you go through your order form, so you can go through to, I think it's inventory and orders, or manage orders, you can see customers, more people are going to be buying 2 at a time. Now, you may not be making as much money from that, but remember, there's no PPC spend on that second unit if you're using PPC. In fact, there's no marketing spend on that second PPC unit. On that second unit. So you can afford to give away some of your profit, but again, what you're going to benefit from is you're going to benefit from more sales velocity, so you can rank your products better, which means you're going to get more organic sales for single units, which is going to be really great for you as particularly a new seller. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video and you found it informative. If you did, smash the like button. Got any questions? Leave a comment, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.